Hello everyone, Reishi Sakai here. I'm here to talk about my hair growth journey and just how far along I've come in my journey. Um, so I'm on month 10. So yeah, February. Yeah, I'm on month 10 and I have seen a lot of growth literally take place with my hairline. And I'm actually starting to get excited finally. Finally, I'm looking at my hair and I'm actually starting to get excited and I'm starting to actually feel confident that my scalp is healing and that hair is actually starting to grow back. When I first started my journey, it was basically to fix my hairline. I was mostly monitoring this side or my right side, because that's my worst side and that's where I'm losing most of my hair and my hairline. But through this journey, I've seen so much growth take place, not only on my right side, but my left side as well. And I wish I would have documented my left side just as much as I did my right, because the results are amazing on both sides. I put probably double the work on my right side though, because that was just an anxiety of mine that, I wanted to fix immediately. But it's month 10, and now I'm actually starting to see the results of everything that I put forth, especially on my scalp. And I'm seeing that it's not hardened and it's actually loosening, and the scalp's actually feeling more soft now. And it literally took a good 6 months for me to actually feel like results were happening, progress was happening. Being on month 10, I'm starting to feel, like I said, confident, because little hairs are really starting to become quite visible. And, when I show people now, they can't say, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I see any growth. They can see it right there. It's right there on the scalp. Little hairs forming that if I showed you my day one, there was no hair there at all. It was clean cut, basically. Not clean cut, but just clean. Clean, like it was clean shaven. It looked like there was no hair there. It looked beyond clean shaven. It just looked like there was nothing. It was barren. So now, if you look at my day one, which I will show you before I wrap this up, I will show you my day one picture and my present picture, and you will see how different my day one is to the progress that I made up to this point. And you made a judgment on that. I enjoy it. I'm enjoying this experience now. I'm actually starting to enjoy it. I'm actually starting to see my strategy working, and I mostly use mushrooms, more specifically reishi mushrooms. Using reishi mushrooms and essential oils, comboed with biotin. I use biotin for conditioner and shampoo. So between the reishi extract, because I use the reishi extract not only for topical means, but I also use it for nutritional means, and I'll do a whole separate video on that. And other mushrooms, because that's what I love. I love the mushrooms. At least the ones that won't kill you, and the ones that won't make you severely ill, or yeah. But yeah, the progress is there, and I look forward to showing you everything that I've gained up to this point, because there's a lot of people like me out there, a lot of frustrated people with hair loss that they feel like they're never getting back. And a lot of people really do chop it up as just, hey, it's in the genetics, you can't beat it. I know people in my family have said that, and they've been questioning me all the way up to my present day about this whole experience even working out for me. It took sheer determination and sheer fortitude for me to follow through with this up to this point, because it was hard. It was times that I felt like nothing was happening. I should just stop wasting money. This ain't gonna work out. I'm just wasting money. Like I said, I keep saying in my head, waste of money, waste of money. But then I incorporated a visualization technique or strategy, and I'll get more into that in the next couple videos. But visualization, that saved me. And being an artist, I guess it helped too. But my visualization improved dramatically. And I heard a video with John Jones on just the importance of visualization and putting stuff into fruition. I feel like his words carry true to just beyond UFC. It definitely helped me. Visualization helped me get to where I am now. And I look forward to showing you these clips, and I'll elaborate more on just a lot of what I'm doing currently, especially with the mushrooms, because I want everybody to know about mushrooms, because mushrooms can change your life. So stay tuned, stay healthy, take care of that fruit and body.